Have you ever wondered how a tiny computer, small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, is born from raw metal, circuits, and endless precision? Right now, you are about to step inside one of the most fascinating factories in the world. Where technology and human skill collide in perfect harmony. From the first second, your eyes will be drawn to machines slicing and shaping metal with astonishing accuracy, sparks flying from precision cutters, and robotic arms moving with hypnotic, mesmerizing speed. This is not just manufacturing, it's a performance of engineering mastery, a dance of humans and machines creating incredible devices. As the metal pieces move through their first stages, they are washed, polished, and meticulously prepared for the assembly of the most intricate components. Each part undergoes a process so precise that even the tiniest error could change the entire device. You will watch water splash and jets clean every surface, machines hum and whirl in synchronization, and human eyes constantly monitoring to ensure perfection. Every second here tells a story of dedication, care, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Then comes the most satisfying phase, the assembly of the circuit boards. Tiny chips, processors, and memory modules are placed with meticulous accuracy. The machines move faster than the eye can follow, and every placement is double-checked by skilled technicians. You'll be captivated by the mesmerizing precision of the assembly line, where technology comes alive and every small component contributes to the power and efficiency of the final product. Once the boards are assembled, the final assembly begins. Fans are installed, cables routed perfectly, and the metal casing closes around the intricate electronics inside. Every movement, every placement is deliberate, creating a miniature powerhouse ready to perform beyond expectation. Watching this process is like witnessing magic, metal, plastic, and electronics transforming into a fully functional device, all orchestrated by both man and machine in flawless harmony. The devices then undergo rigorous testing. Each computer is powered on, screens light up, buttons are pressed, and every function is checked for absolute perfection. From connectivity to performance, every detail is scrutinized, ensuring that only the highest quality devices leave the factory floor. You will feel the anticipation building as each unit passes through the gauntlet of tests, and the satisfaction of seeing it come out flawless is indescribable. Finally, the journey concludes with packaging. Every Mini PC is carefully placed into its box, ready to be shipped across the globe. This final stage may seem simple, but it represents the culmination of every careful step taken before, from metal shaping to circuit assembly, from cleaning to testing. What started as raw materials has now become a finished product, a testament to human ingenuity, precision engineering, and modern technology. Throughout this entire process, your eyes will be drawn to the fluid movements of the machinery, the incredible skill of the workers, and the harmony between human effort and automated precision. Each step, each detail, each moment has a purpose. This is the story of creation, condensed into metal, circuits, and power. It is a glimpse behind the scenes of modern electronics manufacturing, showing how something small and unassuming can be engineered to perform at the highest level. By the end of this video, you will not only have seen the creation of a Mini PC but also experience the relentless dedication, the artistry, and the technology that bring these devices to life. From start to finish, from raw metal to fully functional device, every moment is filled with wonder, precision, and innovation. Sit back, watch closely, and prepare to be amazed by the hidden world of modern manufacturing where every detail counts and every machine moves with purpose.